So today we are gonna fix that rattling issue. I know it's locked already, but still there's a rattling issue that's going on in this truck. We're gonna fix this by using our tape. I apologize for the dirty truck or cabin, and you got yourself a small piece like that. Go ahead and measure it on the same when you're cutting it, and we're gonna go and place it up. So there you have it, guys. No more sound. I might put one more, but we only put one layer here. I ended up using 2 tapes, one here and one on the other side too, so only one small piece on the top.